In this video, we will show you how to replace the battery for a 2012 through 2016 Ford Escape. To open this key fob, all you will need is a small flathead screwdriver. Simply insert the screwdriver in the notch on the back corner of the key fob and twist. Once you have the key fob open, you'll see the battery is located here. You may need to use that small flathead screwdriver to help pop the old battery out. The battery used in this key fob is a CR2032. Once you have the old battery out, to replace it, simply slide the new battery back into place. With this key fob, it is plus side up. Once you have the new battery back in, you can snap the key fob back together and you're done. If you found this video to be useful, please like and subscribe to our channel and visit us online if you need to buy a new key fob.